Howdy, hello. I have a 1999 V6 Isuzu Rodeo. I am replacing the fuel pump right now. My pump actually did not come with any instructions on which wires to connect and which ones are which. It did come with these little plug things, and don't mess with those. I basically use this little set. But anyways, so I hope this really helps you, because it was really difficult for me to find out, and we sometimes worry about cutting wires. So this one, the gray one, goes to the orange and black. I don't know if you can. The gray one goes to the orange and black. I've already electrical taped them, I'm sorry. The black one, or the black and orange, I apologize, goes to this one. The green and orange. The black one goes to the black, and the purple one goes to the blue and yellow. I hope this helps you out. If it did, please tell me. Thank you.